Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a banana fat burning smoothie for weight loss. And this is going to remove that stomach fat, okay? We're burning that fat in the stomach area. So in this recipe, you're going to need a blender. Now, you can use a personal blender, but I'm going to use my NUTRIBULLET full-size blender, which I have linked down below if you're interested in purchasing one. This is not a sponsored video, but I will have links for this particular blender down below. And let's get into some of the ingredients you're going to need for this wonderful concoction. You're going to need bananas, okay? Now I have my bananas frozen, peeled and frozen inside my container. We're going to be using bananas today. We're also going to be using ginger root. Now in this recipe you can also use ginger powder if you choose to, but I'm going to use the fresh ginger because you get more powerful boost of benefits with the actual root. We're also going to be using some flax seeds. It's been a while since I've used my flax seeds, and I love flax seeds in smoothies. They're rich in fiber, okay? Lots of wonderful benefits from your flax seeds. In this, I'm also going to be using my wheat bran. You can also use whey powder, but I ran out. But you can use wheat bran as well. It's the milled powdered, okay? It's a wonderful dietary supplement of fiber, okay? Next, we're going to be also using plain yogurt. I'm going to be using my Light and Fit brand today, as well as one orange. And lastly, we will be using our coconut oil. I know you're wondering, what the heck? Coconut oil? Yes, coconut oil. Now, I'll prepare my cup. Okay, for this, we're going to be using 1/2 cup of yogurt, which I've already pre-mixed. All right. So we're just going to put that inside our blender. It's an easy morning smoothie recipe. This is also a breakfast replacement. You can have this in the morning instead of breakfast. Okay, to start your morning off right. Next, I'm going to add in, okay, let me just stick with this. Next, I'm going to add in 1 banana. Okay, 1 banana. Put that in there. If anything, break it apart. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of my wheat bran. Rich in fiber, you guys. Rich in fiber. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of our flax seeds. Now we're going to be using our ginger root. Now if you use ginger powder, you can use 1/4 teaspoon of your ginger powder, but I'm going to use about a tablespoon of my ginger, my fresh ginger root, only because I like the boost that it gives. It really helps with the speeding your metabolism and burning that fat. You can actually feel the burn when it comes to ginger. It's also great for digestion. Okay, so ginger is a wonderful root to add into your weight loss smoothies. So we're just going to pop that in there. Next, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. And lastly, we're going to peel our orange, pop it in there as well. Okay. And you can take it all the way down to the white part of the orange. after this, we're going to just blend everything together. So we are ready now to blend our stuff together. Okay, so our smoothie is ready. Okay, right, so get your favorite mug. And there you have it, you guys. Every bit of this delicious flavor. And there you have it, you guys. Pop your straw in there. You're gonna love it. Delicioso. Oh my gosh. This smoothie is so delicious, y'all. Okay? So there it is, your wonderful, delicious weight loss smoothie. Okay, you blend this in the morning. You drink this as a morning replacement meal. Okay, you don't have breakfast with this. Use this as the meal. And you will definitely, I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy the taste, the flavor. This is full and rich of fiber. Okay, that's going to stir up your intestines. That's going to get your intestinal system going. And it's going to help you to move that waste out of your colon. Alright, so whatever buildup you got is going to do it. This is going to help to boost your metabolism. It's great for weight loss. It's going to help you to lose weight even faster because as you raise your metabolism, you're burning off more calories, okay? This is also a wonderful supplement for bones and muscle. It's helping you to strengthen your bones, helping you to strengthen your muscle and keep it nice and well, okay? So, listen, enjoy this drink, y'all. Enjoy it. Let me know exactly how you like the taste. And like I said, with all of these smoothies and teas and detoxes, eat light meals. Cook light meals or get light meals, okay? Healthy light meals. No fried foods, no starches, no carbs, no sodiums, all of that. Leave that alone and eat light. Cook healthy meals, all right? And like I said, you will see awesome weight loss. If you choose you want to do this in the morning as well as in the afternoon as a snack, you can do so too. This is rich in fiber. It's a powerhouse full of fiber. All right. So thank you again, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check out for the links down below for the NUTRIBULLET as well as the straws and also other things that you may find down there that you can't find in your local stores because of the part of the country that you might be in. I have the links down below. Also, you guys, check out my new channel, which is Velvetlox. I will also have the link down below. And over there, I do hair care, beauty care, skin care, family vlogs, clothing hauls, all of that. I got a haul coming your way for the winter, all right? So thank you again for joining me, you guys. Thumbs up this video, share this video, and until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.